Do you notice anything different about my elemental sidebar on the left-hand side? Look at it carefully. Down here is where I've got the atomic elements, the atomic form, and the custom widgets. How did I reorder it? And not just that, if you go over to the widgets, I've actually compressed the height a little bit as well, so you can now see more on the screen. This was done really simply with a free code snippet. Here's the snippet. You can get it from the link in the video description. Go and click it, download it, unzip it, use the code snippets plugin, and you don't have to make any changes. But if you do want to, if you scroll down, you're going to notice the ordering list. So I've got layout and basic at the top, and then I've got the other ones below. If you want to rejig it, go for it. I've also said that whenever you come onto this page, by default, the layout and basic must be expanded. Everything else is collapsed. And I've also said the link in bio pane, which I don't use at the moment, I've said don't show it. And if you don't like the sizing that I've implemented, well, it's just down here. Go and play around with that if you want to rejig the height of the widget boxes. But I felt just compressing the height a little bit made it appear a little bit nicer, especially when you have lots of widgets on the screen. And by the way, I just refreshed my page. You can see all of these are collapsed by default, but the layout and the basic. Now, why did I do this in the first place? Because I'm doing so many videos on version 4, atomic elements and all of that. Some of you are still not using it yet. And maybe you don't like it that you've got these atomic ones right at the top. So using that code snippet will now rejig the layout for you. So now they are there. They're not disappeared. You can still use them. But if you like to have the old style layout, well, you've now got that there for you. I'm still Imran from Web Squadron. I hope you like, subscribe, share, and follow. Take care. See you soon. Bye.